Hi guys, good day and welcome to my channel once again. This is another amazing opportunity for you to cash out a lot of dollar on Binance. So as you all know, dollar is rapidly increasing on daily basis, and if you are here to make money on dollar, this is the right time for you. All you need to do is to kindly follow this video carefully till the end. And if it's your first time of coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. As you know, there are many ways of making money on Binance, and here I'm going to show you the one that is currently trending. So if you look at it, if you click on this option here, this is what I'm talking about. You will see that there are several ways of earning on Binance. If you scroll down now, you will see this particular feature, which is gift and campaign. And under it, you'll see many things like gift card, my gifts, learn and earn, rewards hub, and so many more. But this is not what we're talking about today. When you are here, there is another chance that people are used to making money right now on Binance. If you look at the notification sign there, you have to click on it. Then the next thing you will see announcement. This is what I'm talking about. This announcement. You click on announcement. Then it will take you to this place. This is the new feature that arrived about on this date, which is today, that people are benefiting from it now. It is called Pep Simple N. Pep Simple N. All you need to do is to complete a quiz to earn 700,000 Pep in rewards and enjoy up to 9%. So when you're here, all you need to do now is to click on it. It's loading, just be a little bit patient. It will take you to this place, and guys, as you can see, all you need to do here is to complete the quiz. You have to read this if you like, and here are how to participate. Step 1, correctly answer all questions in quiz by referring to the information on the official PEP website. Users may reattempt the quiz if they did not answer all the questions correctly. Step 2, the first 50,000 new SIPO and lock products users who completed step 1 will automatically receive a free 150-day PEP lock products position by next month 20th, 2024. And please note that users will not be able to participate in this promotion once all rewards are distributed. And here is the reward. So when you're here now, the next thing to do is you can see this particular option here, which is click here to start the quiz. So you're going to click on that right now. It's loading. Just wait a little bit. It will take us to this place now. And here are the answers. Don't just dive into it now. I'm going to show you the answers right now because each of them have their own answers. You have to check the description of this video and check the answer. All the answers are the same. If you fail anyone, you are not going to be gifted. That's why you have to be very careful. Check the description of this video, you'll see the answers there. Although let me pick the answer right now so that you see it. Okay guys, as you can see, for the first one, what's the ticker of PEP's token? The answer is the final one there, which is PEP, P-E-P-E. This is the correct answer. And for the second question there, it says, which Binance End products offers PEP yields? You can see many options there. Simple N, ETH staking, Dual Invest, BNB Vault. The correct answer is A, which is Simple N. So for the third question there, what is the total supply of PEP? So for this one, the correct answer there is A. You understand? And for the final one, what's the main use case for PEP token? You can see options here: liquid staking token, meme-coin, utility token, and security token. So the correct answer is meme-coin. You understand? So as stated earlier, all answers are the same. They have not altered anything. You understand? Kindly make sure you check this, you go through this and understand it very well before you attempt the questions. So this is how simple it is to make money. So the next thing now, you have to submit. As you can see, I've submitted successfully, and I have to wait for my rewards, which might likely come tomorrow or next tomorrow. So you have to keep on checking your Binance on daily basis. So if you find this video interesting, consider subscribing, turn on the notification icon for more upcoming useful videos. Thanks for watching.